Hello there friends, it is Ashley here from the Loopy Lamb, and I am really excited today because I have so much yarn on my desk to share with you guys today. I had a hard time keeping it out of the frame to just start the video. So what we're talking about today is some spring and summer yarns that are great for crocheters, and these are all available from our friends over at WeCrochet or crochet.com. It has been a really long winter. I don't know if I'm the only one that felt that, but I can't wait for spring and summer makes. So that's part of why I'm so excited about just getting started, getting my hooks into some yarns that are perfect for spring and summer, like garments and bags and that kind of stuff. I am ready to get rid of that chunky wool and move on to some lighter, softer, wonderful yarns. So, and we have some really great yarns to check out today. And so I'm going to try to keep myself organized and work in order from yarn weight, from fingering up to bulky here. So I'll try to keep that in that order for you. The first off that we're checking out today is this Lindy Chain fingering weight yarn. This is a 70% linen, 30% Pima cotton blend yarn. This would be great for garments, bags, any sort of spring and summer accessories. It is a chainette construction, and it will make a really beautifully drapey fabric, whether you're a knitter or a crocheter. So really nice yarn. I have 3 of the different colors here. This is linen, loving this blue color, it's just called blue, and we've got navy over here. And actually these 3 go together quite nicely. This is available in 26 different colors. For this and all of the yarns I'm checking out today, I'll be sure to include a link in the description box below if anybody's interested in checking them out. And I will say that this is just a high-level overview of these yarns. I'll be doing more in-depth and more detailed reviews of these yarns, including their swatches, in upcoming videos. So if that's something that you're interested in, stay tuned for that. So that's our Lindy Chain, and that's our fingering weight linen Pima cotton blend. Coming up next is we have this Cotton DK weight yarn. I only have the one color in this. I'm actually working on a garment design with this yarn. I absolutely love this yarn. This is one of my favorite yarns that we'll be taking a look at today. This is a blend of 70% Tanguis cotton and 30% linen. I've already done a detailed review of this yarn, and it's already live here on the channel. So I'll put a box up here in the corner if you're wanting to check that out. Again, this is the DK. This is the color Cyan, and it's currently available in 44 colors. Every color that I've seen, either with other people's makes or with the ones that I've been trying, absolutely gorgeous colors. And honestly, I think this is one of the most perfect summer yarns that I've come across to date. So this one of my favorites. And the best part about any of these linen yarns that you'll see here today is the more you wash and wear linen, the softer it gets, my friends. So really loving this one. So that's our DK weight. So I've got 3 worsted weight colors of this Shine Worsted. Now Shine Worsted comes, I think they actually have a Shine Sport weight too. So, but I just have the worsted weight here. It's really soft. It's almost, what's the word I'm looking for? Very smooth, almost slippery feeling. I've got a start of a little swatch here because I couldn't wait to try this one out. These colors I've got from left to right are pistachio, blush, and grapefruit. And I never can tell if these are if it's showing up on the screen well or not, but it has a bit of a shine to it, which is why it's called Shine, because it is a modal, which is a beechwood fiber blend. And that brings that shine to the yarn. So again, not sure if it shows up, but it does have a really pretty shine to this. It's a 60% Pima cotton, 40% modal, which is a natural beechwood fiber blend. Now this is a machine washable and dryable yarn. The Cotton was also machine washable, and that Lindy Chain was hand wash. This yarn would also be great for different kind of things like bags, garments, that kind of thing. The one thing that is recommended on the WeCrochet site, which I think would also be a good use for this, is summer baby projects, because it is so soft, and these colors, with the exception of this orange, really speak to me like baby projects. I think they'd be great for that too. It is incredibly soft, so wouldn't irritate baby whatsoever. And like I said, this is the shine worsted, and they also have it available as a sport weight. The worsted weight line comes in 30 different colors. All right, so that is the shine worsted. So this is another one of my favorites in this lineup here, and that is the comfy worsted. You can see I've already got my swatch here because I've actually designed a garment using this. This is the yarn I used for my first garment design, and it is fabulous. The comfy worsted weight is a Pima cotton acrylic blend, so it's 75% Pima cotton, 25% acrylic. As I said, it's worsted weight, machine washable and dryable. Oh, so soft. Lovely and soft. I've already done a full review of this yarn, so I won't talk too much about it. And again, I'll try to remember to add that box there so you can check out the detailed review of this yarn on my blog. But as you can see, I've already got a swatch made up in it. Absolutely one of my favorites. So here I have Snuggle Puff, and this is an Aran heavyweight worsted weight yarn. It's 70% Pima cotton, 30% nylon. This is, instead of plied structure for your strand like we've had for the last 3 yarns, this is just, it's like a roving. It's fluffy, it's incredibly soft, and very lightweight. I'm designing an amigurumi toy with this right now, and it's like working with a cloud. It is crazy light and incredibly soft. Because it's a roving, it does have a bit of a halo, and I'd be cautious in terms of what you're using it for, only because if you're worried about potential pilling. But home decor items, a blanket in this would be incredible. But for right here, I've got the color Chick and Lamb. My kids, I have to put this up because my kids cannot keep their hands off this yarn. They just want to sit and cuddle it. And the toy I'm making is not even 3/4 of the way done, and my kids can't leave it alone. And I can't blame them. This yarn is incredibly soft. Okay, but it is on the heavier side of the yarn lines, so I'm not sure if it might get too warm if you were going to make it into a garment. But if you have done that, please let me know. I'd love to hear how that works up as a garment. And last but absolutely not least, we have Billow. Now, these yarn colors just call to me from the shelf. I absolutely am in love, especially with this combo together, just gorgeous. But Billow is a bulky weight size 5 yarn, and it's 100% cotton. Now, I've already started doing some swatches for a in-depth review of this, and this is a plied structure yarn as well, but this one is different than the others, where the other yarns that we've checked out all have a consistent strand width and structure. This is a thick and thin yarn. So right here, I'm hoping it is kind of coming across on the video here for you, but it's starting to get thin. It gets thicker here, thinner here, thinner here, and then thicker here. Now, and there's no, oh, here's a perfect spot here. So we've got thick, thin, thick, and the thinness varies throughout the cake. So, and it kind of gives a rustic look to your project. This is my swatch. I think this color is called turmeric. Yeah, turmeric. I know that the dirty yellow color is not popular anymore, but I really don't care. I'm still obsessed with it, and I couldn't wait to use this one. So we've got the turmeric, clarity, and this one's ash. And like I said, we've got our swatch here. It's got that rustic look. Without the strand consistency, you're not going to get a perfectly even fabric. If that's something that you're into or you want to try, then by all means, definitely check this yarn out because it is incredibly soft. Honestly, the WeCrochet has some incredible summer yarns. I have some other yarns coming for us to check out for spring and summer, but so far, absolutely in love with so many of these that it's going to be hard to choose which projects I do first. If you have used any of these yarns, I would love to hear from you. I'd love to hear what you've made, what you think you'd like to see from me in terms of what I can use these yarns for. And if you have any questions, I'd love to answer them for you. Please leave those in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give that like button a hit and please consider subscribing to my channel. If you enjoy free crochet patterns, please check out my blog, theloopylamb.com. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.